Hello guys, today I hosted a competition. Yeah, it's my first one I ever made, so it's kind of bad. The games weren't really meant to be that fun, but if they enjoyed it, they enjoyed it, I guess. Yeah, but you got clickbaited, they don't get that many coins in the thumbnail. I'm broke. Yeah.
Welcome.
Okay, everybody find a seat. Everybody find a seat.
What is this?
Oh.
Come here.
I forgot. I had my.
Oh, that's
Okay,
that's,
not that
that's,
many
that's
people.
Noah's seat, guys.
Uh,
Bro, burping. You know what's crazy? There's a girl psychic, there's a fish psychic, there's a desert psychic, and the fun part, nobody knows who they are. We need more people, guys. I asked if he knows who fish psychic is, and he said no. I asked Neville if he knows who the desert psychic is. He said no. I asked Neville, what do you think he said? Spam pinging everyone.
Take a lot of pictures again, like last competition.
Did not say no. I know.
Where is everyone else, bro? Oh.
Skip. One more person.
24. It's really a big fella. You do something.
I'm getting bored with
Join up!
Is everyone else
Big
gonna
fella
join,
24,
bro?
guys. What do you know? Just get big. Can I go do some grapples while I'm waiting?
Literally
Hold up, let me see the check.
there for 2
Wait,
seconds.
burping, can I go do some
Yeah,
grapples?
everybody, you can do whatever. We need more people.
No,
Hey,
thank you.
burning alpaca.
Ingang, mama.
Everybody find a seat. Inside the checkpoint there, and you can do whatever you want to.
£1 fish.
Until people join.
One.
People in here right now, I think.
How many people do we need, guys?
12.
To
We
grapple?
need a full entire lobby.
We're at
Oh gosh.
we're at 9 out of 12.
Hey,
Yes!
The humbug.
Glingus.
Glingus, you made it just in time.
Glingus.
You're the last one. Alright. Take a seat that's not already taken.
Okay, everyone be quiet. Be quiet.
Glingus, that's
Just mute yourself. Mute
Quiet.
on the burping talk.
How does work out there?
Okay, let's start the first round. Yeah. Where the signal are you guys?
Oh, what is this?
Where do we go?
Oh, it's
Basketball. Oh,
Okay.
basketball.
oh my god, I'm.
Oh, select the
Basketball.
partner. Select the partner.
Memories of,
What is it about the circle?
Everybody select
Half
the
court
partner.
shot!
Much the Sigma.
Find a partner.
can't do
Guys,
that.
guys,
Everybody find a
listen
partner.
up! Alright, who's going for their trick shot first?
I can make it
Noah,
from
Brandon,
here
99 starts.
over to that other white line.
Oh, okay.
Who?
I
Oh,
can't.
oh.
I got this.
Okay.
You need to make it in the hoop,
And
by the way.
Okay.
Watch him. What? I'm doing it from
What,
here.
bro? I'm literally about to. Oh,
Boom.
yeah, I am. I can't.
It was here. It was here.
Let me do
Here.
it. Yeah, I can't jump that high, bro. I'm cooked.
Do it.
You are eliminated.
I'm horrible at
Circle
parkour, bro.
left.
I think my game is glitched. Burping's mic just froze
Really
for
happy.
me, bro.
He is
My
eliminated.
game is glitched, bro.
Okay, Noah.
I'm
You're safe. Everybody go to their partners.
Wait,
I
who
don't
won?
know.
Noah Brand or 100 volts? Or the other guy?
It's gonna be
By the
hard.
way, I suck, so
Wait, who are you facing?
You go.
Agent L.
oh.
Yeah, got
The dark purple.
Okay, if you do it, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh.
Cheese versus cheese.
Guy stays in. Yay.
I guess I'm eliminated.
Good job. High five.
Yeah, Trip Shark's gone.
Burping.
Okay, Jingle
Burping.
Who's your
Richard.
Average Glingus trying to skip the map.
who's your partner?
He gets a bye. How about that? How about he gets a bye
Already
since
left.
his partner left. So he gets a bye.
Who's this partner then?
Drip. No, he gets to skip the round. I bet.
No,
nope, that's
Jiggle
just
is
fine.
Mystery
Jiggle
user,
partner
why are
is
you always
mystery user
joining
now.
a competition?
This is mid
User
competition.
versus this guy.
I don't
Mystery
know.
user versus Jiggle Pet.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here, mystery
Where's
user.
mystery user?
Who is this guy,
He's
bro?
just going to publishing mode so nobody can just.
Mystery user. and Jiggle
User,
Pet
do
Sidekick,
this.
I'm
You're a
sorry.
part of the Discord.
What the? No.
And if you
Some
just
people have
accidentally
their
joined,
joints on or something.
God damn it.
I don't know. What is happening?
Now we said
There's
it.
100 volts.
Okay, Mystery
What is happening?
and Jiggle Pet Sidekick, you guys
Oh
go.
no.
100 volts. Leave and rejoin. 100
Yeah,
volts,
leave and rejoin.
rejoin.
Leave and rejoin.
Albin, somebody has to rejoin. And
Nothing.
it's not him.
Burping. Who's gonna face?
Take my-
Like who's up next?
Okay,
Yeah, who's going next?
Wooly, who's your partner?
Oh,
Me and him.
Okay, you guys go. You guys
Okay.
go.
Guys.
Oh.
Oh shoot! I accidentally jumped onto the court. My bad.
Why am I stuck? No. No.
So Burping!
Maybe. What's going on, guys? I don't like this.
All right, you try. a
Cooler
trick shot
always
now.
just flies away when I go
You
to
you
Super
you,
Jump
you
Pro.
choose a trick shot.
Alright.
And if you hit it, Cosmic has to hit it. Oh.
Okay.
My leg.
Oh, what happened?
I
Why'd
hit
you
my
run like
leg
this,
so
bro?
hard. The best in this lobby. He's top 5, I think.
I'm bad. I'm bad. He said there's only one skill one, and this is like the only one. I'm assuming.
Mining insanely hard. You're winning this.
Okay, now
you made it, now-
you choose a trick shot.
Burp.
Choose a trick shot.
Touch me.
Choose one.
Burping,
Three
drip shark's
pointer.
battery.
Oh, Cosmic.
Burping mosquito, you ruined my sleep schedule.
Okay. Cosmic, choose a trick shot.
Rip.
But I don't really care.
Oh gosh,
They're-
dang,
they're
that's
still
school
going.
tomorrow.
Choose a trick shot. Oh,
Almost.
I know, correct.
can't tell. Did you make it?
He didn't.
I accidentally did something with my Oculus charger. So it takes 1 hour to charge my headset, but
you
it
make it?
also lasts for an hour.
You get it?
Did you
He
make
didn't
it?
make
He
it.
did it.
make
He
it
made
have
it.
four
Now,
I don't know.
purple. You need to do the
No.
correct thing.
So
Doing
I
the
mean,
trick
you
shark.
have
Do
court
try
shot.
skip the map.
If you don't
Thing
do
is
it, you're
this
eliminated.
illegal or not?
Okay,
like
go. Do
making
your
a
trick
shot
shot.
from there. Shot from there.
Sorry, but you're
missed.
eliminated.
All right, you choose a trick shot.
Goodbye, guys.
Rip.
Oh.
Hello to Cosmic. Oh.
Damn.
Wait,
Who wants to
burping
go
is
next?
is this allowed? Like
Jump
making a
from
shot
this
from
one.
here?
Yeah.
Is this allowed? Ow, I hit my
Oh yeah.
and shit.
Bro, I'll go down too.
Oh, that's
Go
so
down.
make
I go
Where's
down.
big fella?
Alright, what's this?
Hey,
I go down.
Oh,
green guy, who's your partner? Which hat? Who's your partner?
Where'd he go? He's right there.
Okay, you guys go.
What?
You
Oh,
guys go.
alright, we're going against each other? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wait,
I
do you want to
can
do a trick
answer
shot
next
first? Or should I do one first? Me? Okay. Wait, who just won? Alright, wait. I'm locking, guys.
have you gone yet?
Jigu side.
You haven't.
I
gone
don't have a
yet.
partner. People then we're losing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, Cookie VR. Oh no, never mind. He left again.
I'm friends with him, but he left.
Which hat?
Does that mean big fella's out? No,
Do you
big
have any
fella,
final
no.
words?
I'm sorry, big fella, no.
No.
What's your final
No.
words?
Toilet race.
Okay.
He doesn't believe in human rights.
Okay.
Burping next competition.
Does somebody want to?
But there'll be more
risk their life
competitors
for
in the
this
future,
guy?
Cosmic.
Go against Jiggles and
didn't.
Sidekick.
Don't, please, please, please,
Or what if
please.
someone
please.
that's out goes against him, and if they win
No.
against him, then they're back in.
No.
I already banned all
But-
of them,
and
then I need to make a new lobby.
Am I supposed to be out?
So yeah,
I don't
Gungus, you're
know.
out. Except you
Okay,
can-
Galingus, you go against this guy.
No. He's
If-
out.
Alright.
He's out.
Wait,
It's
if
not
Glingus
fair.
wins, is he back in? If Glingus wins, is he back
That's
in?
not
Yeah.
fair.
Oh, what happened to my wife?
That's
Oh,
not.
okay, you got it.
Wait a
Get back
minute.
in. Get back in. You got it.
Alright, watch. I'm gonna make a full court.
You're not making full
No,
court. Please don't.
swear to
please
God,
don't
I
risk
swear to
it.
God.
Please don't risk it, bro.
Okay, my bad.
That's like a 60-meter fling jump. There's no shot you're making that.
Oh, okay. I'll just make it a little bit farther than I did. Okay.
60-ish meter fling jump.
Oh my god,
No.
I messed up.
No, I can't do that. I'm not as good at jumping as you think, bro.
Jiggle shot kick.
There.
Alright, going to choose a kick shot.
Alright, watch. I'm gonna.
Kill myself.
Oh,
I can't. Yo! Was that like
Okay,
right
I should already
You
take it
got it.
goodbye because I ain't doing this.
here? Jiggle, you come on, try. You got it. You got it.
I may as well try. I could probably not even jump halfway. Wait. Oh, I messed up.
oh.
Oops. Bye bye, burping. You
Do
can
you
ban
have
me
any
if you
final
want.
words before,
Subscribe to please.
Hate that, dude.
Oh, Cam.
Okay, and now
Some
everyone's still.
passwords.
Alright, next challenge. Next challenge.
Ready?
Go.
Ready? What is this?
Oh no, I hate
Whoa,
this
you're asking
game.
me to take off
Oh,
my
no.
clothes? That's weird, dude.
take off your cosmetics.
Take off your gloves!
My cosmetics are off. Hey guys. What the hell? Real quick, sorry, I'm stripping.
Is there an unequipped
Am I
R button?
wearing-
I think there is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
there-
Oh, yeah.
Where is it?
Just
I
on
think
the
I'm blind.
top.
Oh, there it is.
100 volts. I recommend taking off the cheese.
No, my cheese. My boat spot. No.
No.
Baldy!
What is this? What is
Okay.
this competition?
What's the game?
Okay, so the point of this is everybody's gonna go behind something, and I'm gonna look backwards, and if I guess what number you're in, you're out.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Turn around.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Turn
Okay,
around.
everybody, go behind. One. Who's out?
No!
No. Yeah. Do you guys have any final
Your
words?
bolt.
Your crabs! Your walking sounds are
100
so
volts. I
loud.
saw your body.
Oh, come on.
Oh my god. Okay, so now I know that we have to hide.
Okay. Do you have
That's
any
obvious.
final words?
Are we doing?
How dare you for revealing my boat spot?
Okay. Oli,
How much rounds is
final
there?
words.
Wait, how much rounds is there?
How many more times are we doing this? I'm scared.
Yeah, same. Or is this just a final? Was it 1 and 1 only? 2 people got out.
Do you
That's
have
actually
any
a lot
final
of people,
words?
in my
or no?
opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 people left.
Loki, I think we should like not do another one of these because that was
Yeah.
scary.
No.
Yep.
Wait, I need to
There's
check
4
one thing.
of us. That's
Okay, that kills
that's
you.
not
That
po-
kills
Wait,
you.
if we respawn, are we good? Like, it's okay if we die, but we respawn.
Now it's just first one to come over.
Wait for
there.
me.
You don't even have lives. Just get
Wait
over
for me,
there.
Gleedus.
Okay. Wait, hold up.
You
it
go.
was this that.
You go. No, Glingus!
What?
Oh, I accidentally grabbed onto him.
Okay, well, Vengus is back.
You have infinite lives
Yeah.
now.
You died
It's just
2
first
seconds
one
ago.
to come all the way over there.
Who's risking it? I can't do that.
Hey.
Blingus won.
I can't do that either.
Let's go.
I can't do it.
2.
I'm on my
I
dead
mean,
now.
this boss made it. Now what?
I'm my dead now.
Blingus did it first.
Wait, that's it?
We make the streams louder.